Good morning, children. Welcome to Social Studies class. Today we are going to learn about topics new class and new friends. Rules for the school. It is quite natural that when there are some changes around us, it takes time to adjust with new things. New class, new friends. When a child enters to any new class, surely he or she is little bit disturbed and need to adjust with new school. As time pass, child will start loving his or her school. Let us know about a boy called Samir. Samir enters his new class. He do not know anyone in school. He is not sure if he will be able to make new friends in this class. He stands for a minute thinking about where to sit. Just then, Kalyani walks happily towards him. She says, "Hi, I am Kalyani," and asks, "Would you like to sit with me?" Samir smiles and agrees to sit next to her. Soon, the teacher comes in and they start their first day in the new school. During their lunch break, Samir sees another boy sitting alone. He remembers how Kalyani had invited him to sit next to her. He introduces himself to the boy and asks his name. Then, he invites him to come and eat with them after lunch. The three of them decide to play together on the swings. This how they become friends. Rules for the school. Rules help us to do our work properly and maintain discipline at the school. Every child should follow. Mention rules at particular situation. Here are the some rules that every child at school should follow. Children should reach school on time. They should wear neat and clean uniforms. Do not run or push, especially on the stairs. Keep away from swings when they are in use. Never jump off a seesaw without warning your partner. Do not write on walls, tables and chairs in the school. Students must learn to take care of all the things that belong to the school and keep the school clean. They should throw used papers and any other waste only in the dustbins. Students should always move in a line while going out of the classroom or to the library. In the library, students should read books and newspapers silently. They should take care of their textbooks and notebooks and return library books on time. While playing, do not push anyone. Never play with electrical switches. Thank you. A presentation by Naseem, D.S.